Hi, I'm Marna and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. Darren and I took a walk this morning and it's a bit windy, so my hair's kind of a mess. We are going to tell you who the winners are of the last 3 hidden giveaways. Now when you congratulate the winners down in the comments, don't say their name. Let them hear their name from us in the video. The first one we have is the little stand that is for the Middie Blythe. We're sending 2 different hooks, body hooks for this. This actually fits the Middie Blythe, but this was the first model or pattern that Darren created. Darren did make this pattern himself. That was a little too big, but it fits other dolls. And since we don't know what dolls you will be using this for, we're going to send you both of those. That goes out to Little Ohana Nursery. Congratulations. Please contact me. When I call your name, contact my email at marna@dollsrescued.com. I'll need you to send me your address so I can get this off to you. The big-footed Barbie. We all love this Barbie, but she has big feet. And if you lose a shoe, or if you thrift dolls like so many of us do, these shoes, you just can't find them. You can use some Monster High shoes, some Ken shoes, but let's face it, that's not what she wants to wear. So Darren created these shoe soles for the Barbie. You'll have to do a little work underneath. Just cut that free and then craft your top. I usually make mules or what have you. They're really fun to work with. And he made a variety of colors for you too. I don't even know how many pairs are here. But that goes out to Nikki Monty. Congratulations on that. And then we have the Barbie stand, or as we say in March, Barbie. And that stand goes out to Beth. Thank you all for watching our videos. We really appreciate it. You never know when we're going to have a hidden giveaway or where it might be within our videos. So you kind of need to watch the whole thing. Kind of clever, eh? Darren and I are heading down to the post office. It's about 7 miles from here by the trail. I've got some things to get off in the mail. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.